I'm keeping mine.
Chili.
Oh, that was easy.
Nice.
David's son.
So what do you
Son.
Keep or trade, Dave?
I'm trading with Marjorie.
You got
Don't take this to Uncle Dave.
it back. Hey, were you cheating?
No,
Where's Uncle Dave? He has like.
Give this to Mom.
He has like.
Oh, what happened?
No peeking.
I'm ripping already.
You have to go draw a name.
Yay!
Draw a name for me. Jill, go get a name for me.
What?
Reach. I think this is it, huh?
What happens if
Who did I get?
Reach.
Chili, read it.
Wait, hold on. We gotta hold on to this.
All right.
Okay.
I'll take that. Thank you.
what flavor is it?
Reagan, you still have to get up. Because you have to go draw a name. You can't get away that easy. Go draw a name. You thought you were just going to get to sit there on your butt. No, no, no.
Jeez, Mom.
Oh,
You don't want to guard.
I'm guessing.
What did it feel like?
Yeah.
Me?
You're probably
Did it
right.
choose you?
Look at the
You know, every year, the one that everybody covets is just the bad one.
What's
So,
Reach
I
hiding
don't-
over
Whatever
there?
he's hiding, he can keep it.
Don't.
I want the big one. Alex, how about we trade? Can we
they
trade?
know.
Can we trade? Please?
That looks
All right.
Reach.
Then here,
Reach.
how about this? Take this one and get that red one over there.
No,
See
yeah,
that red one with the
no.
bow right there? Change those.
This one, keep it in here.
Come on out that one. Get that big red box. There you go. The one with the bow. There you go. All right.
Good job.
Alex, here.
Thank
I
you.
was fighting.
All right.
Wait,
Be the best, Alex.
Which one is Reach trying to eat? What's that one?
That one.
Who do you want to say?
Who is it?
Edgar.
I can't see.
Edgar.
Actually, it's Chris.
Oh, I know.
Oh.
Get like.
Oh.
Everybody's just switching back and forth. Like, come on.
That's
That's how you play the game.
What, double?
Yeah, I know, but it's like
Double
the
high
same
five.
people.
Same time.
Same people. Come on.
Uh-oh.
Trade what I said.
Uh-oh, let's see.
I know what to do.
Hey, Rage. Rage.
Nice day.
Reach, I thought that was what you were trying to do.
Come on, Edgar.
Oh, you just thought you knew everything, didn't
It's gonna
you?
be known as Exo from now on.
You don't know what's up. No.
Who was it?
Me. Okay.
Yay! I'm here.
Okay.
Oh, wait, here.
Oh, I'm the one now. This looks like- Oh, that's so unfair.
Which one? You think?
Yes, yes, that one's great.
I think this is
What
it.
worries me?
Well.
Have fun with the day. Smells like a pooping salad.
There's something.
Marcher, tell him.
Yes, Alex,
It
two
is.
people.
Do you like
Pick two
that
people,
one?
Alex.
Or
Alex.
that one?
Alex,
Or
this
that
one here.
one? Do you like that one?
That
Go
one.
get it.
You want to trade mommy?
Who are you gonna give it to?
Or you want to give it to somebody else?
You want this one, Alex?
Mommy.
Okay.
Oh, no, then
No,
give that
give
one.
this to Grandpa.
Okay.
Hold on.
Alex,
boy,
buddy,
thank you.
here. Alex, can you call her name?
Uh-oh, what is
You
that?
just broke it. Nice going.
Uh-oh.
I got.
That was
Uh-oh.
me.
Yeah.
Katie.
Good job, Alex.
You ready to go? Yeah. Your buddy, Grandpa?
No, no. Yeah.
Second, Alex.
Oh, okay.
She can't keep it. She has to give it to
Who do
somebody.
you want to trade?
You have to exchange it.
Do you like this?
Are you stealing my present, Chili?
Oh.
What's up with that?
Katie, look at that nice one.
Katie, it's yours?
Nobody's trading their
Yeah.
The big one.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Abby.
Everybody
Katie,
forgot the
don't pick it
bag.
up.
Nobody's
Look,
trading
I
it.
do whatever I want
That's
to
the
do.
one
Nobody
Poopy
can
Santa's
tell me what
likely
to
to be.
do.
Eric,
Nobody can tell me what to do.
Eric, I'd be
Got this
mad if
nice
I were you. No chance.
There's a good one here. right.
Dave, you haven't held on to one for more than like, what, a minute?
Eric!
All of them so
That was
far.
big a name.
Yay!
What's
it say? Oh, which one do you want?
Which one?
Big one at it.
This doesn't- that one?
So this is yours, you
Whose
need the
is
box
it?
back, right?
This is?
Looks like a Lionel box.
Okay.
Yeah, oh,
Brett!
you're a good actor, it is.
It'd be a long drink cart.
That's about right. Could
Is
be
it?
peanut.
Oh my
That is?
god!
Could be a,
Open Santa, do what?
You're trying to belong with the
Who's the one with the red coat?
Yes, good.
Brett, just trade your mom with your dad. So.
Yeah.
The one with the Santa tie. Oh, Brett, get him!
Get my dad, get my dad, get my dad.
Get him, Brett. Oh,
Get him,
get him,
Brett!
Brett.
Dad!
There are no objections. Kids,
Oh, it's not
No!
Don't tell him what.
hey,
Don't
the
let him tell you what
kid's
to do.
decision
Just
is final.
No, don't tell him.
No, let him push you.
You try. You don't let anybody push you.
Which one do you like?
No, please don't.
That's it, sit down.
Yeah.
No, look at that big
I'm
one.
not telling you.
Anyone know?
that big
Brad.
not my lap.
Brad.
Small.
Don't give it to him.
Well, here, this
Give him
one's
a
small.
huge one.
This one's small,
Moving
bro.
Santa is most
This
likely
one's
to
small.
be in the big bag.
Give him a
All as
huge
much as it
one.
flows.
Come on, Brett.
Don't listen to anybody. Do what your heart desires.
Here you are, Brett.
That's it, like go with
Oh, yeah,
grandpa.
that's good, yes.
Let's go right back.
Please, no.
Yes.
No, don't let him.
You're the boss.
Here, Brett.
Come on, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up.
That's mom's mom.
Oh!
Skills.
Good move.
Yay.
Alex, come up here.
Brad, pick a name.
Brett,
Come in, come in.
there's only one name left.
I don't care. I don't care. I wanted to keep this name in tonight's party.
It's not that one.
It isn't?
There's one more.
You said there's only one left.
No, there's two more left.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
There's
whoa.
one more left.
Brett, pick a name.
How does her name
Oh.
keep being
Somebody
lost?
must have picked it up.
What are you doing?
Dad, Dave.
What are you doing?
Me.
Dad.
You're small. You know.
Dad.
Dave, listen, watch. You're not giving me what you think you want, right? Why waste it on me?
No, just waste it on
No,
him.
please do it. No.
This is not a pooping Santa.
No, I wanted that.
Yeah, you're good.
Good.
Alright, what do we do?
Alex, me!
Yeah.
Because he was the calm one, right?
Wow.
I was
Very good.
calm. Okay,
You
just
were?
one.
Can you count to one, Gabe?
Thank you.
Nagir.
So.
Reagan, go open somebody's.
Oh, the kid has to open? I
Open, mom.
thought they picked who opened.
Yeah.
No, they gotta go open. They can open. They're gonna open somebody's. Younger kids want to. Reagan may not want to, but younger kids will.
Reagan, let's go.
Just go open somebody's.
Open Mark.
Open Uncle Mark.
No,
and
no,
sit
I'm
right
gonna beat your butt up.
Yeah.
She has to draw a name.
Alright.
You want some, Marjorie?
Open grandpa's.
there.
Open dad. Open dad.
Dad.
Which one is
Dad.
that?
Dad. Yell at
Mark, will you
Open it.
Open it.
Please.
The first gift of the
What is it?
That's boring.
Pooping Santa. Christmas vacation. $50 right now.
Let me see.
That's very funny. You have to
Thank you, whomever.
Me.
Dad.
Dead.
Wait, could you take my seat?
Come on, Brett. I only have a minute and 10 seconds left.
It's a box!
Nobody to open it.
Sucker.
The way he's been going tonight, yeah.
Doesn't look good, Mark.
Something like that.
What is it?
I don't want it.
It's gonna be like so.
Oh,
Oh.
Wow.
Nice.
wow. That's real nice.
Dad, you would have loved that.
Whoa.
Frozen.
Oh, is that like
Jillian.
There's a president sign of a president.
Pocket
What's in
peas.
there? I don't know. Gotta open it.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh.
wow, government.
The Big Bang Theory.